What? Where am I? What is this place? What is going on?
Hello, I would like to play a game.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Shut up, bitch boy. I need you to play a fucking game. Seriously, your dumbassery is so pathetic. Now, where was I? Oh yes, the game. The game is simple. You must make a video longer than 5 minutes. Otherwise, I'll be forced to break your precious fucking shades.
Hell no! Your ass, Pinky Jigsaw! Like, bro, what the actual fuck? That's actually really mean. Don't you dare break my fucking shades, or else I'm going to erase you from this earth!
What, okay. Listen, you already completed my goal. I only asked for a 1 minute video.
Hell no!
What the fuck are you doing? The least I wanted you to do was upload. Why are you doing this to me? Why?
Hell
I don't want to do this anymore. You can have your shades back.
I beat the game and got the shades. I'm gonna go home now and play video games. See ya!